Alright everybody, welcome to another video. So today I'm installing these rear wheel well protective plates on my 2025 Maverick. These are made by Mabett. If that name's familiar, they make a ton of stuff for Mavericks, so from 22 through the present. I've got their whole seat cover set in the truck already, which are really nice, like a synthetic leather. I'm going to be installing these plates, and I'll show you why as soon as I get the truck up on the lift here. So on the Maverick, there's a couple of weird spots. So there's a spot up here, if we look, in the wheel well. That just goes down like into the body. Now this kit is not, intended to address that, but that's weird to me. It's a place for salt and corrosion and stuff. But what this kit is meant to address is this gaping hole here behind the wheel. You can see we already have a ton of dirt and stuff sprayed up all over the back of the tail light there. If we look at this side, over here on the passenger side, we got this nice plastic shield covering everything. Then over here, the side with exhaust, nothing. So kind of strange. So those two plates will be to basically cover up this gaping hole. Now if yours looks like mine, you should probably go ahead and just spray this all out first. Alright, so I got it washed out. It's a whole lot better than it was. Now we'll be ready for installation. So on my hybrid model here, there is just a straight pipe. On some of the Mavericks, there's like a resonator right here. Interestingly enough, this is the new resonator right here, this little screen that cancels sound waves somehow. Kind of interesting. But we're gonna go look at the hardware they gave us. We have to put some nuts in these square holes right here. So this is the box. You got the two plates, hardware, even a couple little tools, which I'm not really gonna use. I'll just use standard sockets. These are the little M12 clips I was talking about. So these, you take like this, I'm gonna install from the top, and the little feet looking things go through the holes like that. Alright, so back here, not the exhaust hanger, but back over in the corner there's a 10mm bolt. Painted body color. We're gonna remove that. Then we're gonna take this bracket here, see the shape, and this curve will line up the body. What that looks like installed. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to, don't get confused, there's multiple clips holding the wire harness in. The one closest to the side of the truck, we're going to pull this clip out like that, and then the second bracket, or little bracket thing they include, that, you can see it will fit right here. That's how you want it to look. It's the bolt, then the log washer, then a regular washer. Stick it through there. We're going to tighten it down to that. Now we need to take an 18mm, take out the two sides of the exhaust hanger. There's these big 18mm bolts. Go ahead and pop them out. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is take the larger of the two plates. And it's going to slide up in here. Like this. And then they give you these large bolts. So it's bolt, lock washer, and then washer. And then here. Alright, so you can see I just got it kind of loose for now. I'm just going to leave everything a little loose until I get it into place. But you can see these three holes on here, and then there's three threaded holes there. So we're going to use the rest of the hardware. Once we get this part snaked in here, just kind of makes sense how everything goes. You can see You know, those body bolts go back in those two holes there. Again, I'm going to leave everything kind of loose. You have to get them started just right. That one, I'll have to get something a little more low clearance like this here. Alright, so those brackets we installed, the white here, see, are up in these holes here. So we're going to take, instead of using the small flat washer, we'll use one of the larger ones, a lock nut, and the screw, and then hook those two holes with that. Alright, so the bigger one. So there is the finished product. Much better than a gaping hole. So it's just a little confusing as you're putting it together, just because, you know, there's a bunch of little parts, but as you can see, it's actually very easy. Didn't even have to take anything off the car.